With a new year comes all kinds of hopes and dreams for growth in your business. The best way to grow your business is to get more customers, and we've got some ideas on how you can have the best year ever in your business. Businesses need to use digital marketing today. A Boro Business Lab has something called the Full Formula that gives you a plan for digital marketing. It will help your business do better and grow. The Full Formula is a complete package of digital marketing services that involves all 7 steps of our Get More Customers formula. This formula includes local directories and Google My Business, a system to help you get more positive reviews, website hosting, maintenance, security, backups, social media management, email marketing, paid advertising, Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram ads, and influencer marketing ads, and search engine optimization, SEO. With the Full Formula, our team will work with you to apply all 7 steps to your business for one low price of $1,435 per month. Each step is crucial in helping you reach more potential customers and maximize your online presence. By using these strategies in conjunction with one another, we guarantee that you will see an increase in leads and customers. The investment in the Full Formula package from Boro Business Lab may initially seem substantial. Yet when you compare it to the costs associated with hiring an entry-level employee, you'll find it to be a significantly economical proposition. Hiring personnel comes with additional overheads such as recruitment costs, training expenses, employee benefits, and more. Whereas the Full Formula, at a set price of $1,435 per month, provides a comprehensive suite of digital marketing services that would require multiple skilled professionals to execute effectively. Plus, you get the added advantage of a dedicated team of experienced specialists focused solely on driving your business growth. In this light, the Full Formula package offers incredible value, effectively serving as your own marketing department, but without the associated headaches and expenses of increased payroll. If you'd like to learn more about our Full Formula package and schedule a call with one of our sales team to ask questions,